Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate for you. Okay, let's start your reading, air sign. For air sign. You do have your Ten of Cups. And the Eight of Swords. So, I can see someone na parang matagal mo siyang hinintay or matagal mo itong hinintay na pwedeng dadating sa'yo. Pero parang magugulat ka nga This is like a message, a email, parang ikagugulat mo. And sa ngayon, okay ka naman kung nasaan ka. Okay naman yung situation mo. Maybe you're stuck in a situation. Pero, kumbaga kung ano naman itong dadating nito, maybe you're not ready. Parang ganun. You're not yet ready. So, pwedeng ikagulat mo, ikabigla mo. Okay? Yung main energy mo dito, I feel like unti-unti mo nang naayos kung ano man yung buhay mo, yung mga kailangan mo, or maybe yung sitwasyon mo. So, 'di ba? Kaya nga parang magugulat ka na lang biglang maybe in the past kailangan mo ito, pero biglang dadating sa'yo na maaaring ikagulat mo kasi kumbaga sa totoo lang noon kailangan kita or kailangan ko nito. Kasi for some of you, that is a person because it's a message here with the Page of Wands. Pero yung iba, that could be an offer of work or something. So, pwedeng ikagulat yung bagay na yun. So, tell me more for your sign. Spirit guides, angel guides for your sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Hanged Man. The Four of Pentacles. Five of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. The Lovers. Meron taong nag-iipon. O pwedeng ito na naghihintay siya sa'yo or naghihintay siya na maibigay sa'yo to. And pinag-iipunan niya. With the Five of Wands, I feel like hindi ka masyadong excited or hindi ka interesado. That's the energy. Kasi because that's not what you want or what you need. Diba? Parang hindi yun yung kailangan mo or gusto mo. Pero ibibigay sa'yo with the Ace of Pentacles. With the King of Cups, I feel like there's a lot of love mula dito sa person na ito. And itong person na ito is like hindi siya marunong mag-express ng love with the King of Cups. Okay? But I feel like nandun yung love sa'yo. itong taong to. But you are focused sa kung ano yung mga meron ka. Pwedeng yung money mo, yung iba sa inyo, you're manifesting a lot pagdating sa pera. So, usaping pera, may mga bagay kami na manifest. So, anyway, tell me about the King of Cups, please, Spirit guys, angel guys, for your sign. Page of Pentacles. I feel like this is the person na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng parang bagay na hindi mo kailangan or hindi mo gusto. Pero ito yung like makakabuti for you. Or ito yung dapat sa'yo. Like parang, it's like, the way I see this is that yung energy mo is like this cat now. You don't like taking this medicine or these vitamins. Pero, ang pag-iisip kasi ng person na to is that, kailangan mo to. Ito yung para sa'yo. Ito yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Ito yung dapat para sa'yo. So, may mga i-offer siya or may mga ibibigay siya na hindi mo gusto. Maybe it's some sort of gift. And with the 3 of coins, I feel like you want something else. Meron kang ibang gusto. Yeah. Anyway, what will happen in the near future for you, air sign? What will happen in the near future for you, air sign? The Devil, 8 of coins, 10 of swords. Let's clarify the 10 of swords. 4 of wands, 8 of cups. In the near future, nakikita natin na may mga bagay kang itatry. Pero, try lang. Kasi i-end or mag-i-end din naman agad siya. May mga bagay kang itatry dito. With the 8 of coins, nakakita tayo dito ng I can see fulfillment. Parang kung ano yung mga pagdating sa money, no? May mga sobra tayo nakikita dito. Sobrang for you. You might feel like enough lang or tama lang sa'yo. Pero actually, the way I see this, sobra yan sa'yo. Hindi ka nagkukulang. And with the Devil, I can see loyalty in the future mula sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Maybe you feel like they are kaaway, kalaban, nakakainis, parang gano'n na energy. Pwedeng naiinis ka sa kanya or sa kanila. Pero still this person or these people are still loyal to you. Whether they are katrabaho, maybe kung may karelasyon, nakakainis, diba yung energy, nakakainis sa mga tao. But still, they are loyal to you. So, may loyalty in the future mula dito sa mga taong ito. Okay? So, the 4 of Wands is really promising. Nakakita tayo dito ng stability. So, if you're building something, meron ka mga binubuo with the Emperor, Aries energy, mabubuo mo ng maayos ito. And that magiging stable at successful ito for you. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.